Unlock new photo editing tools in iOS 27. Launch the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to edit, tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen. The new editing interface will appear. Tap on Tools to access Apple's latest AI-powered editing features. Use the Cleanup tool. Select Cleanup from the editing menu. iOS will automatically identify distracting objects in the image. Brush over the object you want to remove. At the bottom, click on Cleanup. Wait a few seconds while Apple Intelligence seamlessly removes the object and blends the background naturally. The result will look as if the object was never there. Use the Extend tool. Select Extend from the available options. Drag the image borders outward. Increase the canvas size in any direction. At the bottom, click on Extend. iOS automatically creates new content that matches the original photo. Adjust the extended area if needed. Use the Reframe tool. While editing your photo, tap the Reframe tool. iOS will automatically analyze the image composition. Drag the photo to reposition your subject within the frame. At the bottom, click on Reframe. Preview the new composition before applying the changes. Tap Done at the top right to save the changes. Your newly reframed photo will be saved automatically, and that's it.